hello my beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about more balance and the precious. Now their matter I want talk about today because una go see the video with the trade now. This more balance and the precious matter, because the video when I see the video and I still tell una say I will come give una the update of wetin come happen. I will come give una the update, but I can't shock now. The video when I do, people begin to insult. So they insult their head for there. So they talk say Lady J, you too talk, you too talk. Now everything that they talk, I can't they say I don't understand. What thing I do? I see video where one girl do say more balance. If you feel do this kind thing to precious, who can be we will not go fit do wey men no go do am too. Say wetin you do to precious, so e no good. E no good for ear at all. So the girl come dey vex. Say if na so e be, she no go fit the post e boyfriend o, wey be say more balance fit do this kind thing to this to precious, you understand? Say the way if na she she not go wear the same cloth with a man again o. Him go use this precious and more balance take get sense. And wetin according to the girl and wetin she talk, na be that one. So she can't really talk, say more balance after everything. You feel live precious like this, go let another girl born for you. You understand that if you really see the pikin, the way where the pikin say even resemble or more balance self, the thing shockalize me. Now what it really draw my attention, I can't say no. This topic I must talk. Put say if more balance really do this kind thing to precious, is no good. And for the video when I first do, I still tell una say if any latest day or any latest updates, I go let una know. And what I still tell una, I still let una know say if I not be say I don't really dey sure, but if I find that say na lie, I go still come tell una. And what I talk for the video. But me not come see the reason why some people can't go my comments, begin they insult my enemy for there. They talk say Lady J, they find out something, this that now lie. Oh, some say I too talk, some say I get big head, some they insult me, some they do this. I say what thing I can't do now? Okay, the girl will talk the thing, wanna list you. The girl will talk am, not be me. Wanna listen, cause I dey shock now. Una wan call the carry matter, they insult me. Wanna listen o.
This kind of thing. They know we all will come now. Wow, for where more banners for do pressure this kind of thing. They know we all will come be now.
Una dey hear?
So you don't reach celebrity side now. Now wow, last you go reach everybody. But more banners we too do this one. After the introduction, after the same native, shit. I'm not sure how I can post my boyfriend again. No. Baby, we know they wear the same clothes again. Before you cast me finish, last, you still gog me. No.
Una dey hear? Shebi una hear wetin the girl talk. Say after everything, more balance, see leave precious, go dey with another girl, according to the girl and wetin she talk. My darling people, now I can't find that now. Mona watch this video to the end though. So now me now can say I must make sure say I find that if na really truth, say more balance really live precious, go there with another woman. Now say I must make sure say I find out this thing. Now my ogbonge people. Now I can't really find that now. I can't see say Precious come finally come clear the hair, come post the music wey Omo Balance and the girl sing together. Na him make dem carry that baby. Say the baby not be Precious, not be Omo Balance own. Omo Balance never leave Precious. So una wey dey carry fake rumor dey talk say the girl wey come just do this video now. Who see the way the girl take talk am, you think say she dey there. Me even be think say the girl dey the house where they for even do am. I can't dey shock now. I can't see say Omo Balance and Precious they see they together. They never leave each other. Oh, now where they carry fake rumor. Oh, hey, Omo Balance and Precious they see they. Omo Balance now and Precious they did together because Precious can't post the music and the baby everything and she can't talk and for right up there say Omo Balance not being get the pikin no say na music in with the girl sing together. You understand? I say okay, oh, I will constantly tell my people before they'll go use a comment, they finish me, oh, before they'll go insult me, finish for there. Man content they say Omo Balance and Precious they still dey together. They still dey, oh, they never separate. You understand? So man not to blame me because sometimes the way person go take see something and so you go take talk am. You know say this our ogbonge news. So if you just see matter like this, you want talk am. Maybe people see hear am because they be celebrity. You understand? And whether you like it or not. So anything where they happen, in fact, you say they live your life for people because people must talk. You understand? So they don't they blame person for this one. And not be the way I just can't do the thing like say Lady J can't lie. Oh. So you they insult me for that. They talk different things. You understand? Now say man constantly tell una now say Omo Balance and Precious they still dey together. They never separate. You understand? They still dey together. So when I say let me share this video, the one I share the other one. When I say share this one like that so that maybe people still see and say Lady J don't come see clear the air for now. Say Omo Balance and Precious they still dey together. They never separate. So my darling people, please let me to share the video and don't insult me. And I don't know and I know it all. So Mona still take me as una sister, as una friend. Mona no verse for me. No, thank you, my darling people. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and share the video too. Thank you.